Hello students, welcome back once again. This is the continuation of trends in the modern periodic table. As we have discussed already in the last class about how trending takes place with respect to valency. Okay, today we are going to discuss about how atomic size varies in the periods as well as in groups. Children, as you know, when a element comes from one period to the next period, one orbits are increasing. That is, first in case of hydrogen there is only one orbit, and in case of lithium, there are two orbits in which electrons are present. Orbits are there, but we are talking about whether in those orbits the electron is present or not. So the first case hydrogen, one electron we know. In lithium, 3 electrons or 2 will be filled in the first, then the next one will go into the next orbit. And in case of sodium, 1, 2, 3, where 2 electrons enter first here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons in the next one, and the last one enters into the next orbit. So children, as you know, the number of shells or orbits are keep on increasing here. See, when it comes to potassium, it will be more bigger than that. Then rubidium, cesium, and francium. When you reach, the size will be keep on increasing when you go down the group. So, children, what you have to write while moving down the group. So moving down the group, atomic size we can say it is keep on increasing. Okay, so atomic size when while going down the groups, in every group atomic size keep on increasing. There is no doubt because number of shells are keep on increasing. Now children, I am going to explain a very important concept, mostly related to this concept. One question normally comes, that is trends in the atomic size while going in a period. Okay, what happens in periods? So as you know, then in periods, lithium to beryllium, when it comes, lithium is having atomic number 3, but beryllium is having atomic number 4. So the atomic number increasing, then we imagine that atomic size also will keep on increasing like that. So, but actual case, the atomic number when increases, of course the electrons are increasing, but you must remember, if this is in the second period, this is the first period, this is second period. Second period, all these electrons will be accommodating in that second orbit only, not in the third orbit, isn't it? So you must also remember that the nuclear size, the size of the nucleus means the middle portion, there is a proton and neutron are there, in which protons number is also keep on increasing. When electron is increasing, at the same time proton is also increasing. So what you have to remember is the protons effective nuclear charge we call. So that keep on increasing, that is the positive charge is also increasing in the group. Because of that, this positive charge will attract the electron more closer to the atoms middle. That is actually due to that the size of atom keep on decreasing. You can say decreasing in a moving in a period. In a period, atomic size keep on decreasing, means bigger ones to the smaller ones. The size while reaching by fluorine, the size will become more smaller as compared to the size of the element present in the first group. Okay, so the atomic size keep on decreasing in the period. So this particular point here we have to remember is in a period, the atomic size of elements keep on decreasing due to the increase in the nuclear charge. What is nuclear charge? Nuclear charge means the positive charge is keep on increasing, means the protons are keep on increasing, at the same time electrons are also increasing, but electrons are increasing in the same orbit only. Okay, it is not going into the next orbits, isn't it? But nuclear charge is increasing due to the increase in the number of protons. So because of that, proton will pull the electron towards the nucleus more closer. Because of that, size of the atoms reduces from left to right, or you can say when going from left to right in the periodic table.
Atomic radius of an atom may be taken as the measure of atomic size. The radius of an atom may be taken as the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of the atom. The atomic radii of elements increases in a period from left to right with the increase in atomic number. The atomic radii of elements increases in a group on moving from top to bottom. In a period, the electrons enters one by one in the same energy level. At the addition of each electron, nuclear charge is increased by 1 unit. Hence, nuclear attraction on the electron goes on increasing, and the atomic radii goes on decreasing due to the contraction of valency shell. In a group, atomic radii of elements increases in moving from top to bottom. Down the group, there is addition of new electronic shell. Though the nuclear charge also increases, the effect of nuclear attraction on atomic size is much less than the increase due to addition of a new shell.
So students, today we have discussed only about the atomic size. You have to remember that in groups, going down the groups, the atomic size keep on increasing, and moving from left to right in periods, the atomic size keep on decreasing due to the increase in nuclear charge, means increase in the number of protons. Because of that, nuclear charge increases and size of the element keep on decreasing. So today we have discussed only about another trend in modern periodic table, that is atomic size. Atomic size increases down the group and decreases in periods. Okay, the next trend in periodic table we will be learning in the next module. Thank you and have a nice day.